Cloud on the chart, I'm patient. I wait by the week, don't chase it. You see that pushing, you praise it. I see that same move, break faces. They by the top, I'm on key. I let it run and I know she turn back fast when the crowd lean. That's when the real ones come clean. Little more south than it hits. One clean touch and it ships. They thought it was gone, but it isn't. One swing and the whole thing flips. Pressure builds, then it fades. Fake momentum gets played. One more test on the tape, then the trap snaps away. 786 plays the play. 786 stand out the way. They leaning hard and it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 plays the play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. Yeah. Oh, golden pockets lit out a few miles. Now the same old crowd goes silent. They were loud when the candles went wild. Now they stuck in the wrong alignment. I saw the trap in the structure, saw the rush in the rupture. You can keep that momentum talk. I'm on the edge where the flux starts. Hit in the pullback, perfect. One more tapping it works. Yes, they all piled in as service. Then the train got nervous. Pressure builds, then it fades. Fake momentum gets played. One more test on the tape, then the trap snaps away. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They leaning hard, then it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. I don't need hype, I need proof. One sharp move, one clean truth. If it don't hold, I don't flinch. If it does, I'm in that inch. South side, wake up, then reverse. Every overconfident curse. I don't run with the herd. I let the market say the word. 786 pays to play. 786 stand out the way. They leaning hard, then it turns. Real ones know what that earns. 786 pays to play. Come too late, get carried away. They chase that move, then it burns. 786, that's my return. The sun clocked out on me. I still got smoke in my teeth. Ran through the glare all day. Now I can barely breathe. Count what I kept, what slip. Count what I cut, what bled. No time for a frozen screen when the whole room wants your head. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left. Markets went beast mode on us. Rooms got cold and loud. Everybody talking big till the numbers come down. I kept my hands on the wheel even when it shook hard. Eyes on the line in the sand. Heart in the blacked out yard. I don't look back in the storm, I don't tab on my pain. I wait for the hammer to cool, then I name what remains. If I lost it, I lost it. If I earned it, it stays. When the noise finally fades out, I can read through the haze. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the scars, count the miles I made. need proof. At the end of the day, I check what's left. At the end of the day, I take that breath. Count the chips, count the stars, count the miles I made. At the end of the day, I check what's left.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now. Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cut and win short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They wrote me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Now I'm up and I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Chest, one move, then the next. No drift, no maybe, no star. I want the whole damn wall. Every inch wants more. Every win opens a door. If the wheel keeps turning clean, you can feel it in your skin. Don't let the doubt. Don't feed the brake. When it locks in place, that's the shape of fate. Leading hard, let it pull you through. One true signal and I'm all in tow. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go all in, all in. is alive. I don't blink, I don't swipe. I've seen good enough die slow. Seen bright stars never grow. But when the edge feels true, I go harder than I know. Momentum, yeah, once it's live. Don't drag the chain, let it drive. Small stuff stack, then the whole thing flips. One clean hit and the river rips. No split focus, no weak knees. One clear lane, one clean squeeze. If the yes hits deep in the bone, then you send it like it's already home. Life don't hand out second chances, not to hesitations, not to glances. So I could lose the tired and tame. Burn the ships if I call your name. When the pulse says run, I don't question why. That kind of hunger learns to fly. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to go. All in, no halfway fire. Fuck yes, take it higher. If it's not a fuck yes, it's a no. Fuck yes, then I'm ready to blow. All in, no dead end road. Fuck yes, that's the code. One good yes can change the room. One true move can split the gloom. Momentum's king, and I know what to do. Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow. Muscle in the mirror.
Live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, and Javi, the Maestro. It is June 11th, 2:45 p.m. We're trading the last hour of the market. Javi, how you doing today, bro?
Pretty good, man. I survived. I did not trade this morning, dude. I feel proud of myself. I did not trade this morning. I didn't go on the morning show. None of it, dude. I was sitting down with the wife in the morning, and then I had a student, and then I got a couple trades right then, but that was it. Like, I feel pretty good about myself being able to not trade
Nice.
in the
I'm
morning.
jealous. I'm jealous because I had CME, was called CME something, and basically cooked my shit for $31,000.
Wait,
It's all right.
CME?
It's called. One second, let me find it.
Well, there was that push from 225 all the way up to 255.
CME
255
velocity locks,
to break.
and basically what it is it has to do where there's these these freezes that happen in the market, and it happened to me twice over a 5-second period.
Oh, the CME. Oh, okay. I know what you're talking about now. Oh shit, dude, that fucking sucks. They triggered today. When did they trigger? We've had bigger moves over the last couple days for them to trigger.
Twice, right in the morning in the live. I mean, it's cool. Is what it is. Hit my DLL on my accounts. So
Okay.
I mean, it wasn't my fault. Just the shit fucking. Tech fucked it up. Is what it is. But I'm chilling. No big deal. I still secured $12,000 payout
Hell yeah.
today, so it'll be like a 20K week. I'm a little frustrated because it was about to be a 50K payout week. But I'm obviously not going to be upset about 12K. Hitting the DLL does suck. All the accounts are fine. They're alive, but it's going to take me probably a week or two to get them back. But
yeah,
it's all good. I'm chilling.
It's all good, man. Yeah, dude. All right, this thing's taking off. There's a 255 break. 255 breaking and just pushing up. We're gonna get that higher high here. It needs to get up to 300. Needs to hold over 255. That 5 minute needs to hold over 255, and then see it retest maybe. But this 5 minute candle has about a minute left, so it could easily pull all the way back. So if anybody caught that 225 break all the way up, be cautious. I'm not in any trades right now. The 5 minute closed right underneath that 5 minute level, so I did not take it. It did not hit my criteria for an entry, so I did not take it. So I'm just watching the charts right now.
Hassan Omer says time wasting. What is time? What do you mean? What's time wasting?
What's time wasting? Oh shit, I don't have the other chats open. Hold on.
I don't have the energy to deal with trolls today, though. So I'm just gonna say whatever you say, dude. Whatever you say.
Let's open up the other chats.
I'm gonna trade pro account though for
Holy shit. Are you sure about that?
yeah. I don't. It's just why not? Why not?
All right. Same links. There it is. All right, there's the chat. There's the chat. Now I gotta put that on. Restream. All right. There we go. All right, this thing is pushing. It's a nice push up. Yeah, look at that. There's 300. There's the new higher high.
I didn't enter yet, but if
There's
it
the
holds
higher high.
above 302, I will.
Yep. I didn't catch the move. I didn't break 225 on the 5. It closed right below. I hate when it does that, and it did do its move, but I didn't catch it. It's all good. Happens.
Wait. All right, I'm gonna take a test here. See what we can get.
Yeah, next area for me is 343. Above 343, 376. That 343 is a 2 minute level. SPX left the golden MVG back. I missed that too. Fudge. When did that golden MVG form? Let me take a look. 46. Oh yeah, that was already far gone though. 46 was already way above. So played out.
Oops, and I'm already out. Never mind. Okay.
Yeah, wild pullbacks. Wild pullbacks.
I'm out. It was quick. In and out. That was fun.
This could just be a little healthy pullback for continuation, but this could also go all the way back down to 50. With the way, what's the ATR at right now? It's still 27-ish. Okay, it's kind of dropping a little bit. Look at Yuck. Wow, Yuck. You passed all of them today? Very nice, bro. Is anyone else's Discord bugging out? I don't know. 5 micros at a time. Yeah, you could. Yeah, today's one of those days you could do a ton of damage with 2 or 3, 4 micros. Let's see what she wants to do here, where she wants to pull back to. Below 55 could go all the way back down to 230. But let's see if that 55 is going to try to hold. SPX could go and retest that MVG at 73.72. So it's kind of, he already made a move. I missed it, like I said. I'm not worried about it. Question for you guys. I have an EOD, end of day eval, that I just passed. Do I keep trading the account now or wait for it to go fund it? Don't touch it anymore. If it's passed, don't touch it, Garrett. If it's already passed, do not fuck it up. Activate that funded account. All right, this could be our next little range spot potentially if it just hangs out here between 55 and 310, maybe. Breaks under 55, could hit 230. Above 310-ish, I have room to 343 on the 2-minute. So, how many of you guys blew accounts today?
I probably
Like
would
blue
have if I had
accounts.
a DLL.
Yeah, you had the DLL, so that protected you. Because I know, I know a lot of you guys must have blue 6, especially this week. This is a week of brutality for blown accounts. I know these props are eating right now. These props are half eating, and then there's some traders that are benefiting from it, that are getting lucky and getting these huge wins by playing heavy. If you play it light, you'll survive. Blew my funded with that BS at 12 o'clock. I didn't see anything at 12 o'clock. But I don't trade lunch either. I do not trade lunch. Lunch is a drop in volume and you see funkiness. Cook 3 accounts, feel like quitting. This is Jaden, like this week, right? This is the week that's gonna do that to a lot of traders. Take this week with a grain of salt, right? Get over it, move on, start fresh, and do it all over again. Right? The ATR, this is a week to learn a lot about ATR, about volatility, about sizing, and about stop losses. This is the week to learn about all of that. I caught that crazy move up 400 points in like 6 minutes. Earlier hit daily goal in the funded up 600 on the day, made 1500 the trade. Let's go, IDoes. That's amazing. All right, there's the push all the way to 50. Now look, there's that bleed through all the way to 30, most likely here. Very close. Yeah, SPX immediately went to go test that MVG. So it's lining up. It's lining up with that 230 area. See if it fills it and jumps or breaks it and drops. All right, there's a little bit of a bounce. There's a stronger bounce on SPX, but a weaker bounce on NQ. SPX filled it and jumped. Now will it stay above or will it come back down? It's showing hesitation. Needs to break back over 55. There it goes. That's that strong jump off of that MVG right there. It went all the way up to that 70 level and rejected hard. So be very cautious if anybody caught that little bounce. I caught a nibble of it. $230, beautiful bounce off of it. That was an immediate 35-point push up. Now I got that one runner. That's the golden MVG reaction right there. Oh yeah. Runner is alive.
So
Back
much I
up to
would.
70.
You always talk about emotions and control. So there's minimal tilting. I just want to say I appreciate you. It's in my shoes to get mentally overwhelmed. So keep me locked in. To keep me locked in PHP is also fire. Appreciate that. It does this.
Yeah. It's as real as you're gonna get, guys. You know, everyone likes to just damn, what a jump off of 230. Everyone just likes to always share the good and never share the bad. And that's something that is rare to see in this industry.
I
Everyone
actually
likes to flex.
um I don't want to trade. Yeah, I don't want to trade.
Oh,
I mean, you share your charts. You share your charts.
you sure?
I
All
don't,
right, bro.
I don't feel
Share
comfortable trading
screen.
right now. I'm still annoyed by this morning. I'm not trading. I'm logging out.
All right.
Nope. I'm not gonna let
Got
myself
it,
go
bro.
on for another power hour. I'm logging out. I'm done. Nope. No trade
Guys,
for me.
yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay to be, to be cautious and not trade, bro. Yeah,
Nope.
absolutely. I love that, man. Let's
I'm not
go.
gonna trade.
All
Nope. I'm just looking at this. I just got stopped out on a good trade. I'm not letting this shit control my day. I'm waiting until tomorrow.
Good. Good shit, brother.
Good for me.
Nope. So
I'll take
yeah.
my
So here's
$200 loss and walk away. I'm gonna call it. I'm done.
and do you guys
So
know
how
how
about you?
hard it is to do that? Like, do you guys know how hard it is to do that? It's hard to do that shit. To take an L and then just say, fuck it, I'm not trading anymore.
So Javi,
It's hard.
you gotta make more than $200 during power hour. So we have a green power hour. All right.
All right. I mean, I missed that long off of 25 break. I mean, it didn't really break it on the 5, but it took off all the way to where I wanted it to.
No, I don't give a
So
fuck. We're
now
taking
just
out.
wait
Give a fuck.
for this movie. We're
Whatever.
gonna do MLC maybe. 3 o'clock is kick. It's still early. It's not even 3 o'clock yet. It's still early. If anybody caught the 230 bounce, I made 150 off that 230 bounce. I caught that.
I've had a
So I
great,
made about $50 more to break even.
I've had a great, decent week and a half now. I'm not gonna ruin it.
Yeah.
Happy with my 12K payout. I'm not gonna force any more trades. I just this morning frustrated me a lot because it wasn't like one of those things where it was my fault. You know what I mean? I get more frustrated. I mean, obviously I get very frustrated with myself if I fuck up. But like this morning had nothing to do with anything wrong with my strategies, my management, nothing. It was strictly everything froze and didn't move for 5 seconds and ignored entries, stop losses, everything that happened again. And it's the fucking CME's fault because the CME has these dumb freezes. And so I was like fucking pissed off and I was like, you know what? Nope. I'm just going to call it. And what's funny too is we went over the strategies with my students. Both of them would have been big wins, but it's all right. It's part of the game, but I also know who I am as a person. I'm not going to let myself continue to go on tilt because of trading today. I'm going to enjoy my food, hang out with Javi in the chat, go to the gym, and shoot my new guns.
Fuck yeah, dude.
I'm going to enjoy my
There's
day.
just that continuation up now. That was that pullback to the higher low at that 230. And this is what's crazy about today is that these pullbacks are insane. And you have to be very patient. It's almost a 100-point jump from that 230 test. If anybody managed to hold a runner from that, kudos to you. Mine got trailed out at around 280. That's where my 230 bounce. I caught a nice 50-point bounce off of that. So let's see what she wants to do. This is lining up to be a failed bearish move on the 2-minute. Could retest 280. I would love to see 280 hold. The stop loss for the 280 retest would be under 260. But if it does pull back to retest, if it doesn't, as today's been just violent, this might just go and make another higher high. It actually already made a higher high. Never mind. It hit 318 now. It already made a higher high. I have to zoom out on my freaking wealth charts here. So it already made a higher high. So I definitely maybe I'll pull back to 280. But it could just keep going too. This is the funkiness with what we see here.
What is my rifle? It's a Vector Industries VK1. So imagine an AK-47 inside of an AR. The way
An
that
AK-47 inside of an AR.
it's the way that so it's just I don't know how to explain it better than that. But basically, it has a bunch of patents in it, and essentially the way that the gas chambers through it and disperses out of it, there's patents in this rifle that makes it so that it there's basically there's no kick, there's no move, it's very flat, and it almost cleans itself out because it doesn't hold any of the carbon inside when it's pushing out. I have that, and then the other one is I have a the Black Forge Reaper, which has a comp and a something else on it, and it's a 2011. It's like a 1911 but a 2011 version, and this is also ranked one of the top 2011 handguns that you can get. And I'm gonna go shoot those today after the gym, unless I kill myself in the gym, then I won't. But
All right, there's that 280 area. So I want to see how this candle closes. It's got about 10 seconds. It's not looking too bad.
Logan isn't
I
trading
hate
much.
20-point stop loss trades, and this 1 minute is crossing down. So I'm gonna wait. I want to see if 280. Man, it's not bad. It's already a 10-point bounce. There it goes. Damn it! I should have gone a little bit more, but there it goes. There's that 280 bounce right now. There's 20 points. All right. The candle closed right above it. I saw it pull down a little bit. I like the hesitation. I did take it with 4 micros. I'm now up $100. Well, 97. I'm trailing. There's 130. There's 30 points. We're green. All right, we're done, bro. Power hour undefeated still. There was the 80 bounce for 30 points. And I got in late too. Like I got in late.
Nice. Do
There you
I
go.
own a? Have I shot a staccato? I have mostly. I have Glocks. I have 3 Glocks. I've got a Canic, Terran Tactical Combat. I have the Dark Forged Reaper. I have an MP5. I have a VK1, and I'm in the process of trying to acquire an M27 IAR, and then after that, I'm gonna get a Gen 12 shotgun.
All right, let's see
It
if
shoots
this 80
5.56.
keeps holding here. Oh, there's another 15-point bounce right off of 80. Be careful though. Scalp it as you will, because if it does break, next would be, what can we retest? 260. 260 is the next area. There it goes. See, this is why I say be careful. I play it once and then I wait. And then if 260 breaks, we're going all the way back down to 230. There's 260. It's breaking. It's not looking like it. Yeah, there's no real pull up right now. There's Big Purple Boy. So this is going to retest a little bit. And there's a bleed through. There's the bleed through.
I do not do CrossFit. No, push pull.
There
My
goes,
school,
there goes, there goes, there goes, there goes, there goes. Okay. Let me take the screenshot real fast because I actually I just played this on the new eval and I went in way more than I thought. There's the 260. Took that A plus plus on that 260 all the way down to the 30 right there. Holy shit. Just got this on the new eval right now. And I went in way heavier than I thought. I got the fuck out of that. There we go, bro. We're green. Took that for that quick snipe to 230.
there you go. Good job, Bobby.
Whew. That was way heavier than I wanted to go. I adjust my number. Holy shit. All right. Now wait. I'm going to wait now because 230 breaks. We have room down to 190. So this is the next area. And this would be now the 2 minute. It's kind of breaking. It's where the higher low would be. Already broke it. It's a wick, but I'm still looking at the 5 minute uptrend. But that bounced right off that 230 again. If anybody caught that for 30 points, I caught that short right down to 230 on that A plus plus. Sniped it. 5.56 makes more sense than the body style. Makes sense why it was so little kick. Bitch is clean though. I don't know what that means. Random question, Logan and Javi. How many accounts do you guys have? And does it matter how many accounts you have, or is the size of the account more important? I only have 50Ks. I have currently about 20. I think I have more than that now. 5, 10, Oh yeah, no, I definitely have more than that. I think I have like 30 something accounts. About 20 of them are funded. And I don't copy trade. So I spread my accounts out, right? I'm gonna change that soon. I will start copy trading soon. But for now, I'm focusing on the move and everything else. But I prefer having multiple accounts. If I have a bad day on one, I still have other accounts that are still in good standing. You can kind of treat it the same way if you trade multiple props, right? You can have a bad day on one set of props, and then you still have the other props that you can, lean on. Um, so
15, 35, 40, 45.
very nice, Nick. You got that 230 bounce. Look at that 230 bounce again for 60 points. That
5,
230 is a strong area.
35, 40, 45, 48. I have 49 accounts.
Damn. Yeah. Got more than me right now. Yeah. And that helps. That helps when you take L's. It helps kind of wean off taking an L, and having a bunch of other accounts to lean on. It does
Yeah, I
help with the psych.
fuck up any of my accounts. I don't feel like, yeah.
Yeah.
Fucked up. I fucked up 24 of them. Logan need to make that a smooth 50. It was more, but when I got pushed live with some of the props, so it decreased. Is max funded on props? So if we
That's
think
awesome,
about this,
Nick.
right? We go
Oh
through our
my God,
partner.
look at that push up.
5 Lucid, 5 TPT, 5 Tradeify, 20 Apex, 5 Alpha, 5 funded futures. 5 are funded futures, I think. 3 my funded futures, 5 funded next. So whatever the math is on there. But if you get pushed live, you don't have as many.
Very nice vibes. Yeah. Yeah, that's the thing about live is that yeah, you go from having 4 or 5 accounts to just one sometimes on some props. It's different with Lucid and TPT though. TPT I know does 5. Lucid you said does multiple as well?
Per account.
That's awesome.
Lucid does per account. TPT does per account. FFF and my funded futures does combined.
Let's see if this 2-minute can close above 309 and then maybe you'll get some more little push up. But for now, that was a clean bounce off of 230 for almost another 80 points. That 230 is the stronghold. Two
Always.
insanely clean bounces off of that area.
What does that even mean? You can always sign up your girl as well once you go live. What does that even mean?
There it goes. It's slowly grinding up to that 343. Slowly. This 2-minute needs to close above that 309.50. Then you want to see that 300 and 310 area hold up, and then maybe we'll get that push to 343. But that was a clean drop all the way back down to 230 and then missed the bounce off of 230.
What do you mean
There it
you
goes.
can't?
There's that closure.
It's profitable.
There's
With
the
just
explosion. There it goes. Look at that. That 2-minute closure, and there's the pop. I didn't enter that. I did not enter that. But that 2-minute closed above and immediately exploded for another 40 points. 43.25 is that next level that needs to be broken on the 2-minute. Wow. Sauce box is up there. Sauce box tap. There's a sauce box tap right there. Missed it by a point. You were in it with 5 minis? Holy shit, Stu, that's too many. That's way too many. Dude, why does it look scary seeing you smile like that? Nick, that's AI, right? That wasn't. Did you just smile like that, bro?
on my face.
Nick just posted.
It's clearly on my face.
What happened?
So it's clearly not my face. It's like from the movie Smile. Like that's not.
It looks
I don't know
scary.
why what you're talking about lies. You can absolutely become consistently profitable with 2 or 3 accounts. I'm theoretically
Yeah.
profitable with 2 or 3 accounts because I group trade almost all of my shit. So that doesn't make any sense at all.
I became profitable with 450K accounts. 450K accounts hitting 250 a day. I made 18,400 in 2 months. You can absolutely do it. It's insanely possible. That's the kind of thought that makes you degen and go full blown and then blow count, blow count, blow count. And then you dig yourself into a hole, and then becoming profitable becomes a mental barrier because you're thinking about all the blown accounts and how much you need to make back, and you need bigger accounts to make bigger money. No, you don't. Consistency makes money. Wow, what an explosion. Did anybody catch that 2 minute closure above and then it just insta popped? That was a clean move.
I mean, it doesn't make sense for you to only hold on to 2 or 3 accounts if you're consistently profitable. You would always want to scale and increase. Coach Logan, you taking
Yeah.
any trades? No, I'm not. I'm calling it for power hour. I'm not trading for power hour.
Let's go, Lindsay. Let's go. Everyone should be green. I mean, if you Quantum Gang, I know you're green as hell. That was a clean move. The 230 bounces were clean. If anybody caught those, we caught, caught that short from 260 down to 230. There have been plays here and there. It's just being picky with the plays because you do not want to get eaten up with the drawdown. The drawdown will screw you up big time with today's candles. The candles that we're seeing yesterday, this whole week, and into today, those pullbacks are violent. Is quantum just the indicator or what? Quantum is an indicator, but it is my strategy built into the indicator. I do sessions every Sunday night, Zect. Every Sunday night, I do study sessions with the Quantum Gang. So if you have Quantum Shift, you get to join me Sunday nights after happy hour, and I break down the strategy, the same setups, same plays. We read the market live, and then everyone puts it to practice the next day or that same night. So it's kind of like if you have Quantum, you get weekly coaching. That's kind of what it's like. You get coaching every Sunday night. For whoever was asking about bigger accounts, I just do 1 to 2 micros, and this is meaningful money to me. I trade all of these individually. There you go. Look at that. You made $2,182. Awesome vibes trading individually, and that's the same thing I do. Like, look, right? These are my obviously. Like this is my well charts accounts here, right? And I trade all of these individually. This is the other set of accounts I traded. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then where's the other set? Oh, my fundeds right here. My lucids.
Any live broadcasts from the Blitz? Yeah, they should be. I think they are. I
Yeah,
think it's gonna
yeah.
be live. I think it's gonna be live here.
All right. These are the accounts I traded today. Between last night and today. Mostly last night. 1, 2. I already shared my yeah, I already shared the other ones. And then that's it. I didn't trade much today. I didn't trade at all this morning, actually. All right, all individual, all different numbers. You guys can see it. Let's see. Right into sauce box, rejecting off of it so far. Hard rejection off of the sauce box. We can come all the way back down to test 290. We could also just hang out up here. This is still pretty bullish territory on the 5. Look at that. Nice job, Slice. If you do get the quantum shift indicator, quantum indicator, do you get training on it or do you need to buy something extra? No, Josie. Every Sunday night, as long as you are a quantum shift subscriber, You make sure you guys claim that role though. Like if you do it through WAP, you have to do a little process to claim the role. Make sure you attach your um, Discord tag and everything to claim the role so you get access to the chat. It's much easier to do it through the maxoptionstrading.com website. You can connect your Discord really easily. You can also connect Wealth Charts and TradingView, so you get the indicator on both platforms. And then you should get access to the chat as well. Once you get access to the chat, I ping everybody there Sunday night. As soon as I go live, everyone gets pinged and you can join. And I do pretty much quantum training. Right? And you got my YouTube channels as well. My YouTube channel has a plethora of videos you can watch. You don't have to watch every single one. It's all repeated information. You can watch whichever ones. There's some that I break down little snippets of it that you can watch as well. But it's all the same thing I repeat over and over and over again. As a beginner, would you stick to one account until first payout and scale into the number of accounts? That's how I did it. I started with one account and then scaled that into multiple. So my first payout account was a Tradeify straight to funded. I worked on that, got a payout from that, bought a second account. I bought a second account after the second payout. The second payout, bought a second account, did the same process. Then I bought two my funded futures accounts once I got a payout from that second account. And then I just worked on those 4 accounts for 3 months. Eventually, my funded futures pushed me live. And then I went to, that was when I first heard about TPT. Then I went to TPT while I was waiting for my live account. And then I was still with Tradeify. Eventually, in January of 2025, Tradeify pushed me live. And then I started looking at other props as well and started diversifying, as you call it. Yeah, sitting very bullish. This thing is very bullish. Rejection from Saucebox, immediately pushed back in. Now a little bit of a rejection again from the top. Next level above is 410 above Saucebox. Saucebox is from 376 all the way up to 396 area. Above that, 410 is a 1 minute level. Above 410, we have 454. And then above that, oh my God, I got a ton of room apparently. Do I gotta go zoom out here on the 2 minute? Nope. Yeah, the 2 minute I have nothing. Over 410, I have nothing until 727 apparently after 454. 410, 454, and then nothing.
Three, 6, 9, 12K, 12K payout with Alpha Futures.
Oh, I got a sauce box. 12K
12K.
payout with Alpha.
12K
yeah.
payout with Alpha Futures today. Are they our sponsor today? Or is it FFF?
Yeah, hold on, let me check. Today's sponsor is FFF. FFF. Yeah, baby. Oh no, I have sauce boxes. Never mind. I don't have empty space. So after 454, I got box at 548 to 580-ish. Then after that, 680 to about 700. So there are still little areas above. But for now, we are failing to break out of this sauce box. If this closes below 376, there's a chance. But right now, it's just back and forth inside the box. Trying to form a level.
You believe trading the bull market is easier than trading the bear market? I believe
Any market.
any market.
Yeah, I have no bias when I trade. I'm a reactionary trader. Like I see a move, I take it, no matter what direction it's in. If I have confluences, I'm gonna take it.
Wait,
That's simple for me.
I am not withdrawing 3,000. I'm not drawing 12,000. I am withdrawing more than that.
Oh hell yeah.
6, 8, 9 plus 6, 5, 9 plus 6, 7, 5, 3 plus.
That Dom does go crazy on that bottom side of that 275 area. Huge bounce off of that area right there. The Dom
mean,
went nuts when it hit that 276, 275.
What's the percentage split
So
on
if
alpha?
that breaks,
Is it 10%? What do they take? 10%
yeah, I
or
think
20?
Alpha's 10%. What do we do in our spare time? I'm boring. I'm a dad. I sit down, put my hands down my pants, just like Al Bundy, crack open a beer, and I don't drink beer like that anymore. I just sit down, watch some shows, look at my phone, talk to the wife for a little bit, play with the kids for a little bit. Sometimes we go to the park. Right?
Got 8K
Trying to
today.
work
Thought I
out.
was closing the gap, but you're still ahead. If I didn't have my CME thing today, Luca, I would have requested. So I'm taking 13.6 today. If I didn't have the CME thing, I would have had an additional 17,000. I would have had another. I would have had a $30,000. I would have had a $40,000 week. So for now, and what are we closing the gap on? What's the gap? Let's we need to set an idea so I know
Luca's
how hard
going into competition here.
what are we setting the gap as? I'm up
Luca's
110K.
good.
I'm still on track for 12K tomorrow. Okay, but I'm at 110K in the last 5 weeks.
I'm
What
just
are we
gonna be
talking?
happy with my 4 or 5 every other week. 6. I'm getting 2 tomorrow. I already got a couple last week. Nowhere near as big as you guys, but it doesn't matter to me. I'm
So
still
after
collecting money.
this, it'll be 125K for 6 weeks. What are we talking here? What's the gap? We talking daily,
What's
weekly, monthly?
yeah.
Give me time. Time is money. Time is money, playa.
She's trapped inside the sauce box right now. She's literally trapped inside the sauce box. This is kind of funny to see it actually. Got a level at 89. Still needs to break that. They can get back up to 99, 96. Close above that, then we see 410. Is she gonna push now to that 410 area?
Here's what I'll do, Luca. I got a better idea.
Nope. Not ready yet.
No,
Still didn't
yeah,
close outside the box.
we gotta set a start date, and then who can get the most amount of payouts at the end. At the start of May, Max said, "You guys need to start showing. You guys need to show payouts." In our chat. I
Yeah.
said, got it. And he said, "You have until the end of June to show this many payouts."
Yep.
Well, that's obviously very well. So
It was just me and you bombarding that poor chat for a while. There's the break. There's the push. It was just me and you like posting. Ha ha ha. That was funny.
yeah.
Now we got Luca in there. Luca's gonna be like, ha 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 ha. I'm still gonna be the little one. I think I made what 18K last month, somewhere around there. I'm perfectly happy with that shit. There's the break. There's the 410 closure. Now it needs to hold above basically 400. You want to see it potentially retest sauce box and hold above it. And then you want to see a continuation pop.
I know a trader up 500,000 since June. Okay. I
Cool.
know traders that are up fucking probably 10 million today. Like what?
Yeah,
Fucking
like
sick,
Wolf.
dude. I know.
Wolf is multi-million-dollar
Yeah.
trader.
I can message Andy and ask him how much he's made the past week, and he'd probably say a fucking
Like,
few mil.
casual 2.5 mil.
Yeah. That doesn't make me fucking sick.
I know.
I'm
I'm happy
also
for
props
everyone that's
here.
successful.
Props here. We're talking props, and we're talking for people who've been trading as long as Luca and I have. Actually, Luca's been trading longer than I have, but that's okay. We won't count that. How much y'all give back? I'd ask my fucking students. Too much. Yes, they invest.
Oh, there it goes. Yeah, baby. Easy catch right there. Quick push off of that 400 area for a nice. I got 2 runners running. So green. Exactly what I wanted to see, a push back to that 400 area. Hold and jump. Uh, if you guys listen to Max in the morning show, the psychological break and retests, I use that with Saucebox as added confluence. There's your little 3Z push up. We are so fucking green if you guys follow the trajectory. The simple plan. Waited for that retest to 400, got in, and there she goes. Runner still running. Up almost 30 points right now. There's 30 points. There's 30 points on my entry. Somebody probably got a better entry than I did. I got in at 407. Bada bing, bada boom. That's exactly what I want to see when I see a sauce box break with a psychological level intact. Break, retest, go. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. Up big. This is another fresh account I just opened up too. Not opened up. I was already up a little bit. We should be green, green, green. Boom, boom, boom. All right. You're still going on that ride with 1 micro? Freak yeah, awesome.
Doesn't
Very
trade prop
nice.
makes too much money? That doesn't make any sense. Why would you not also trade prop firms? Unless you
Damn,
get
Luca.
you get banned.
Did you read this? Do you do one-on-ones, Luca, only with black guys? I'm quoting Luca, you do.
I could definitely see Luca in the near future doing one-on-ones or coaching. Can definitely see
Oh
Luca
yeah,
doing coaching. I
definitely.
mean, well, he will be. He's a fucking live trader with us.
He will. I'm
Yeah, he
I'm
will.
I'm gonna be off the coaching block, so it's gonna be there for Luca to take. I'm gonna be
Yeah.
focusing on the course and the students, and my coaching block will be pretty much maybe once a month if I even want to do that. I don't know yet. I haven't decided.
Sent live on all of them. Yeah, but if you're sent live, then you're still trading.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Damn.
Okay, I'm out. I'm out. My runner's out. Fuck.
It's funny. I took an
Whoa.
initial long,
100
stopped me out. Then
point
after I got stopped out on the long, it ripped up 220 points. Fuck yeah. Whatever.
Yeah, that's the thing is that you had to pull. You had to wait for that pullback. That pullback to 230, and then exploded. Since to 230 pullback, this thing is up 270 points. So way to oh, there's the 100 points. I got trailed out before the 100 points. I don't care. And oh, guess what? Guess what happened? What, Trump said something else? Given that the
Given
US
that
has
the US
accepted
has accepted
the
the
text
text proposed
proposed.
by Iran, the likelihood of this text being approved by Iran is high.
That's also
What the fuck does that mean? What the
they
fuck does that
texted me.
mean?
They texted
So
me
Trump
boobs.
actually said that they talked to him, and there's a good chance that somebody actually talked to Trump. Fucking news goes nuts. The dumbest shit I've ever heard.
That is they texted
Fucking,
me
this market is
boobs.
fucking stupid.
And I said
This is stupid.
yes.
This is dumb.
That is so stupid. Oh my god.
We just
Can't
made a
believe
great
that shit.
settlement of war. How many times have we heard this in the last 2 months? How many times have we heard this?
Oh my god, dude.
This
That's
is this is
fucking hilarious.
100% market manipulation. That's all it is. All it is.
It absolutely
Pure
is.
market manipulation.
That is
Somebody's fucking
insane.
getting with Trump and the administration, and they're saying, all right, the market's been dumping a little bit. This is what I'm going to say. Things are going great with Iran. Boom. All right, boys, this is what we're going to do now. Let's sit it for like 2 p.m. Monday. I'm going to say Iran is attacking us. Boom. All right, guys, fucking Thursday, 1 p.m. We're going to say Iran again wants a ceasefire. Boom. Fucking same shit over and over again. It's all fucking manipulation of the fucking market. It's getting ridiculous.
Yep. It is. It is. Next sauce box is up at 540. At this rate, it's probably gonna push. But who knows? It's gonna have little hesitations, little pauses.
As somebody who's a volume momentum breakout trader, like, yeah, this you would think this is fucking sick, but this is 10 times worse. This is not what I want. This is too much.
Yeah, this is just wild movement. It's literally the wild, wild west of the market right now. That was an insane, insane explosion off that 400 break and retest too. Wondering if it's going to get to the next sauce box next. Yep, there goes. There goes. There goes. Oh, so close. So close. You see the reactions when it gets really close to it.
My concern is for the new traders. I just feel bad for like the new
Yeah.
traders because this
Yep.
is just so irregular and not normal market conditions, and this is what you're trying to learn how to trade with. Like it sucks.
Yeah.
Bad for you guys.
It does. Yeah, because this is not normal at all. At all. Wow, what a rejection. Yeah. It got within it hit 540. It hit 540. Saucebox is at 548. So that actually hit 540 on NQ, not on MNQ, did it? Yeah, it did. It hit 537 on MNQ. Did not hit 540 on MNQ.
Is it going to be easier in normal market? Yeah, normal market's fucking easy to trade.
Yes. Yep. Way easier than this. This is insane patience, have to have insanely small size, and just being okay with those big pullbacks if they don't hit. Like the stop losses in today's market are ridiculous.
The reason why it's a downside for new traders too is here, like the way to become profitable is having very strict rules and staying very consistent with your psychology and your trading, right? You want to stay consistent, and disciplined to where you do the same thing robotically across the board, right? This is what's helped me have a lot of success, right? Where I'm just doing the same fucking thing nonstop. Like, and so you guys are now adjusting sizes, stop losses, like trading differently to a market that's not normal. And the downside of it is you're going to start to build some sort of habit around these market conditions that are not realistic and long term.
Oh,
Rich
wow. Okay.
said this
Okay.
market is like
Wow.
getting blessed by fire. Yeah. You think it's
Yeah, pretty
amazing.
much.
You fucking all of a sudden you just fucking catch yourself burning alive.
Yeah. You're either going to come out really good or you're going to come out burning.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of the two. I mean, I'm playing those rejections right now. I already scalped it a couple times. I'm going to lean off now because it is looking like it's trying to push up a little bit more. Might bleed into box, but it might reject still. So I got two runners running on that rejection, and that's a clean rejection. Sauce box is a big area for me. Students know. Seeing the curling, I'm seeing the curling down on the action lines. So I'm going to let one runner ride. If it bleeds in, I'll get out of it on that runner. But that's a nice rejection. Nice drop back down just a little bit. My stop loss for these are usually midline of sauce box or a break back in. But there's that hesitation. There's my curling. There's a nice drop. So far, about 30 points. I got one runner left. There you go. There you go. Very nice. And what the hell was that? Why did my freaking I didn't have anything there. It just took me out of my trade. What the freak? What the freak? There was nothing there. Okay, it took me out, it forced me out of the order, but I guess it did it out of whatever. Whatever. I know, I'll take it as a winning trade. Yeah, it did take me out almost at the bottom, but I didn't have anything there. My trailing was all the way back up at 35. So I don't know why it kicked me out. But it kicked me out. Used a new eval just for this before I didn't want to touch my other accounts. There you go. Very nice May trades. All right. Very nice rejection. That 540 area. My runner got trailed out, or it would have still been floating right there. Would have been up a good 40 points. If anybody caught that, good job. You did good. Clean softbox play. There's my purple boy. Can she hold and continue to pull? There she goes. There's a little bit more pull. You could have waited 3 minutes for that level to break. You would have been blessed by Trump. All right. Does she got some mustard to continue? I'm expecting a little bit of a retest of 500, 504. Maybe she'll continue to bleed through on that setup right now. There she is, bleeding a little bit more. There she goes. There's the A++, not A++. This is not an A++ setup because of the cross being above, but there goes. I took it with 3 micros because I said, why not? Because why the hell not? I'm already very up on this account, and I'm almost up $1,000 now. Gonna take one out there, and last runner running. There she goes. It's almost immediate reactions when these confluences line up. Almost 100-point move from that 40 rejection from the top right over here. And that was a good, yep, my last runner got trailed out right there on that pull up. Could it keep going? Yes, it could. Who knows? Very nice. If anybody caught that with me, if any of the Quantum Gang caught that. $1.71K with 1 micro. Yeah, J Plata. That's what you're able to do in today's market. It's bonkers. You caught that, J Plata. I mean, you caught that Miami Tom. Made trades very nice. Caught it on the OQG. Let's go, Lindsay. Let's go, Quantum Gang. Let's go. Which account is this one? Oh, here. I have to lose a little bit on this account. I just noticed I have an account that's way above consistency. Got to lose a little bit of bread on this account. That was it. That was that little short. Now, if this breaks over 520, then 530, 550, the uptrend continues, and we might see that bleed into the sauce box. All right, perfect, perfect, perfect. Right where I needed it for that consistency. 1200 on the dot almost. That's done. Flatten. All right. Let's see what she wants to do. Are we going to flip, or are we going to try to continue the uptrend? What time is it? What time is it? 3:40. Okay. We got about 9 minutes for MOC. So I'm going to chill for now. I'm just going to chill for MOC. All right. We are floating near an area that I would like. So 535. I'm going to get rid of these because I don't use these for MOC. 535 is the current level I'm looking at for MOC. If we keep hanging around this 535, to the downside, 422. To the top, I don't have another level until 810 on the one. The next 1 minute level above 535 is at 810. 2 minute at 771, and then 5 minute at 734. Got a prop with no DLL so you can blow the whole thing. That sounds fishy, fish hippie. That sounds fishy to me. When something sounds too good to be true, I always lean on the too good to be true, right? There's a catch. There's got to be a catch. Almost MOC. Yep, waiting on MOC. So far that 35, you're seeing the rejection right now. 300 points in 35 minutes. It's sick. It is sick, Reaper. Insanely sick. And we saw these moves happening that started on this 230 bounce. It bounced off 2 times around 230. From 230 all the way up to 540, 300 points, which is ridiculous. And the little moves on the way up. Each area that broke, sauce box broke, level broke into the next sauce box, rejecting off of that one, created a level right below it, and you're seeing the rejections. Now we're kind of seeing what it wants to do for MOC in about 5.5 minutes. I'm working on being disciplined and just making 200 per day on all my accounts to compound my wins so my income stays realistic in all markets. Yes, Rory, that's exactly what you want to do. That's exactly what you want to do. My 250 was my number. And thank you, Sober Coach, Logan, Maestro, and Big Daddy Max for teaching me compounding. And that is the best way. Absolutely. We love you long time too, brother. Yep, the indicator shows you the levels. Yep, you guys can see it on my chart. The levels are there. Did that SpaceX IPO come out yet? Like, what is the whole thing about that? Like, there are always IPOs, but I know SpaceX is like one of the biggest ones in a long time. It's tomorrow. Is this this is the pre-pump before the rug pull? Or you know, you never know, right? Everyone's expecting a rug pull. It might explode up, and then after exploding up for a day or so, then give you the rug pull. Like it usually does the opposite of what everyone's expecting. But then they could be playing reverse psychology, right? Where everyone's expecting it to go down, but then they're playing they're expecting it to go down, so they're going to do the reverse psychology of going up, but they're going to do the reverse psychology of they think that it's going to go down, but it's going to go up, but we're going to make it go down instead. Like, that's how my head works. My head works like that, where I'm like it could go like the reverse psychology to the almost like FEGs, the FEG and the inverse FEG and the inverse to the inverse. uh, it's like, you think we're gonna do this, but we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do that. What you think we were gonna do, but then we're gonna do what we thought we were gonna do. What was that movie with Ben Stiller? It's like I know you, and I know that you know you, and I know that you know that I know that I know you. Which one was that one? Dodgeball. That was Dodgeball. Was that Dodgeball? That was Dodgeball. Dodgeball. 3 minutes for MOC. We are way below the level now. If anyone caught that rejection up here at 530, you're up almost 80 points. At 535 rejection area. Right now we're hanging really close to the 422, so that's going to be the level. Whichever one we're the closest to, I want to see what it does when it gets down to 422. We got about 3 minutes. If we're not near a level, I don't care. I don't care. It could retest all the way up to 535. It could just pull down to 422. I'm going to wait on it. I want to be hugging a level for MOC. I don't want to be floating in between. Just like yesterday, we had to wait for that test, and it kept testing, right? Ripped through 33, closed above it once, pushed up, couldn't break that next area. Then it closed below, and once it closed below, it couldn't close back above, and then it dumped. Kind of the same thing we're waiting for right now. If we got 2 minutes left. 2 minutes telling me it wants to pull down some more. SPX also golden MVG way up here for that pull down as well. When you say you trade accounts individually, do you mean one account a day? No, I do multiple accounts a day, but I have 3 strikes amount. So if I lose 3 trades in a row, or not in a row, in any order, I'll call it a day on another account and move on to another one. I'll take a break in between. If I don't strike out and if I hit enough trades and I like where I'm at, then I move on as well. Usually depends on the account type and where I'm at on the buffer building state and all that when I decide to stop. So it varies. Can sauce boxes be used for MOC? Only the quant levels drop dead. I only use the quantum levels, right? Sauce boxes add a confluence, but the quantum levels is the main MOC read. The 1 minute levels. For me, it's these dash lines. Here we go. We're almost at 422. Look at how it's racing down to it as MOC approaches. Look at that move. That's a 100-point move from that 435 up here. 100-point move. We're going to hug that 422 for MOC. So this is what I'm looking at to potentially hold. I want to see it get tested. I want to see it be held and then push up. If it melts right through, we're probably going to the next level below that 422 is all the way at 294. So let's see what she wants to do here. We got about 25 seconds. So 422 is that level. We're hanging well above it for now.
I'm logging to my paper trade account. Paper trade, fine. No,
All right.
I don't even feel like it.
Let's
I don't
see.
even
Will
feel
it
like it.
explode up or will it come down and test 422? There just went a little bit and there's 422 and bouncing right up and there goes and quick move. And it's looking a little bit hesitant for continuation, but there she goes. And I already trailed out a few. And now what will we do? It keeps hanging out around it. I don't like it. So I just got trailed out another one and one more, but I want to see if it continues to hold that 22 area. Will we get this pushback all the way up to that 535 or will we break 422? All right, last one got trailed out right there. All right, now I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait to see what it wants to do here. There's 422. We're going to close below it. Looks like we're breaking through it. And then you know what I'm going to do if it closes below it. We have room down. Now, can it close, retest? Nope, it's still really deep. All right, there's the retest. Is it going to close below? It hasn't closed yet. There's the closure. Did close below. There's the immediate push down. There's the retest. There's another rejection. It's hesitant. It's almost like yesterday where it's hesitant to make a full-blown move.
That's a PHP entry right here too.
Yep, we got that 400 psychological level that needs to break as well. So I am in it with only 2 micros. Already caught a little bit of a move. Didn't get out of it just yet, but and I'm out. It took me out right there. It's not ready to full-blown break that 400. If we close above 22, we're going to make a potential push up, but I'm not liking this hesitation at 400. And that was pretty much it. I should have taken some off at that 200, at that 400 push. Didn't take anything. Just got stopped out with 2 micros. And now we're going to potentially go challenge the up move again. This is very hesitant. Identical to yesterday's. Where it was bouncing around the level. There's the closure above. There's a little bit of a push. There's a better push. And I just played the other way around now and got a nice push there. That was it. You had 2 little plays. That was a 15-point push from that closure up. That push down, I should have taken something off the table. I took a little bit of an L on that. I'm still hella green. And looks like still hesitation. It's failing to continue to push, so I don't like that. I want to see it continue to stay and push above. I don't want to see it keep going back and forth, back and forth. So I just got 2 runners now. I'm up really good on this account. I'm not worried at all. So it's just floating now.
56 likes on YouTube, only 181 viewers. Yeah.
Yeah, not much. Oh, well. All right. Oh, shit. There it goes. There it goes. All right. I'm going to take 1 micro off here at 130. I got 130 on 2 micros right there. I'm going to take 1 off the table right there. And this is MOC play for you with this freaking crazy volatility. It's a little bit of both sides swinging. Closed below. I entered a short. I should have taken some off at the 400. I didn't. It got stopped out. Closed above 22 again. Took the long, made back my L, and then some. Very easy. That's just a part of it. Now I'm up $100 on my last micro. Up $100 on my last micro from the 426 entry. And that's just waiting for those candles to close. That's it. That's just which levels are going to go through. They didn't want to break 400, pushed back above 422, broke 422 again, entered long again. That's how we play. That's how we play MOC right now. This is not normal. Usually it gives you a smooth move. Yesterday was identical. It was playing back and forth around the level. Eventually it locked in underneath one side and went. And look at that. My last micro is up $120 almost. I couldn't take the screenshot. And I got trailed out right there. Got trailed out right there. I'm happy with that. It can get up to 45.35 if it continues to push up. That's the next 1 minute level. I don't care. I'll take that. I'll take that push up any day. That was a clean, almost 70-point move from that second closure. The DOM is going nuts up here. The DOM is going nuts up here. Yeah, get them YouTube likes up, people. Get them YouTube likes up. The DOM is going bonkers. Do we have earnings today of some sort? The DOM is going crazy right now.
Dude, it's just the market conditions. It's just fucking stupid.
Oh, was that was 355? That was the 355 candle. That's what that is. The DOM started to go bonkers, and I'm like, why? Robinhood earnings, no meaning. Right when you call. How do you guys so fast? How do you guys
Fast,
so fast? Fast life.
fast. I
Look,
do
I'm going to
same
show
run.
you guys this. Look at my chart, right? Candle closure. Okay. Candle closure. That's it. I entered a candle closure at 422. I caught a 15-point move, right? But guess what? I didn't take anything off. I got stopped out. Closed back above 422 at 434. Got back in, right? Gave a pullback. I got back in. I actually entered after the candle closure because I didn't click fast enough. I actually got a little bit of a better entry because of that. And then it took off. That's it. Candle closure below or above the level, I get in either way. If it closed below, I'm going to get in. If it pulls back above, I'm going to get out. If it closes above, I'm going to get in. That was that simple. It's that simple for me. Candle closure. Closes above or below the level. It's as simple as you can get. Nah, bro. Nah, bro, what? Today was good day for trading. Quick ones and done for 125. There you go, stepdad. The 53-minute candle is blue on NQ, but not blue on MNQ. Yep, that's expected Z trades. MNQ and NQ have slightly different volume, slightly different movement on the candles because of that volume. So you're going to have a few different things show up. You might have a candle not show up on NQ that will show up on MNQ and vice versa. On mine, it is blue, actually. You might need a refresh. Your refresh rate might be a little low. So you might need to hit refresh and it should show blue. Mine is blue. Yeah, mine is blue. The refresh rate is something that is internet effective. It's affected by your internet. So nothing we can do about that, unfortunately. But on my MNQ, it is blue. Let me check on my wealth charts. Yeah, it's on wealth charts. I do MNQ as well, and it is blue on my wealth charts. So you might need to refresh your charts. Refresh. Man, I say sometimes the the words come out of my mouth all funky. Refresh. I don't even know how I said that shit. But beautiful day. Beautiful day with the craziness. We survived Power Hour with this craziness. Hopefully you guys played it cautiously, played it light, waited. Wait for the candle closures, get in. I got in on the short on the close under 420, couldn't break 400, got taken out, got back in on the closure above it, caught that nice move right up. Is that simple? Awesome. Glad to hear that, Z Trades. How can I get a one-on-one with Javi Prezi? At the moment, you can't. You cannot get a one-on-one with me until maybe late April, not April, late August, September. The course is coming out soon. The actual announcement date will happen at the Blitz. Super excited for it. So if you guys are not on the wait list, get on that wait list. And I might reopen coaching late August, maybe September when the kids are back in school. Once a month, probably. It'll be very, very exclusive. The price will go up as well because I
Who
want
wants
to
me to
spend more time with the
open up
family and
coaching? I'll
students.
do half price for coaching. Who wants me to open up
Oh
coaching? Half.
shit. Oh shit. There you guys go. Look at that offer. Let's do it.
I bet you guys do. I'm never fucking doing that.
Ah, the excitement,
Get
dude.
the fuck
The
outta here.
excitement.
I got a motherfucking
Everyone just
course. You guys are out of
you
your
just
goddamn
edged the
mind.
shit out of everybody.
You guys are out of
Everybody
your.
was like,
Get the fuck out.
"Oh,
I got
that
a
was
fucking
good,
course.
man.
I got fucking
That was
30. I got like
fucking
a
good.
40-hour course. A 40-hour course. What the fuck am I gonna do coaching for? I coach
That was
already.
fucking
I
good.
spend fucking 3 hours a day with my students. I'm already coaching. Just fucking get with the
Uh,
course. I coach every day. Every question you
yeah.
have, every thought
Yep.
about any strategy, about psychology, about fucking risk management, about fucking anything I already do all the fucking time, 3 hours a day. I do a pre-market. I live trade every morning, pre-market with my students. We do recaps at lunch most of the time. We're doing AI classes and building strategies every evening. I don't need to fucking do coaching. How about that?
DJs.
Okay.
Everyone was ready to bust a nut there. Everybody. And then he just right in the gut, like right in the gut. Everyone's like, oh, my feels. Oh, the feels. Oh, that was good, bro. I love that. Ooh, students, we're potentially getting the 4 o'clock setup here. There goes. Oh, yeah, baby. There's the 4 o'clock setup right there. Boom, I'm out. I took that. 4 o'clock setup played clean right there. I'm going to leave one runner running. Quick $200.
What makes you guys happy when you step away from the charts? The fact.
What makes us happy when we
What do you
step
mean?
away
What do you
from the
mean? What makes
charts?
us happy? I don't understand that. Are you asking like a
That was a
personal
quick
question?
20-point move.
Are you asking a personal question? Like what makes you happy outside of the charts? Or are you asking like how are you happy when you have a losing day? Like how are you happy after a losing day?
Quick one, Miami Tom. What happens when? Yeah, like I don't know. Like for me, the routine is so repetitive. I kind of get numb to good days. Like I have more feeling on bad days. Like when I blow an account, like I'll have more feelings on that day than on good days. You know, like the good days
All
are
right, let's
so
think
like
about this.
repetitive. I don't know.
If you're profitable enough consistently, let's go through this scenario. Let's say I fucking lose all 50, all 49 of my accounts, right? Just fucking even like let's say DLL didn't even exist for all of my accounts and I just fucking pop all of them. Do you think I would be upset? Right? Do you think I would be I mean, of course, okay, let's obviously I'll be upset. But do you think that I'll let it fucking impact me so badly and I'm going to let it fucking destroy me and everything? Let's say it wasn't because of tilt. Let's say it's just fucking something happened, all 49 accounts were disappeared and popped. Right? Okay, so I got to restart and do the same shit that I've been doing? Follow my fucking rules? Pass my accounts and get a payout? Yeah, it's fucking annoying. I got to go through another month or two of the whole process to get a fucking payout, right?
Yeah.
But I also know I'm up so much fucking money over the last 6 weeks. It's like I can do this shit again, right? So like when you start to build the consistency and the discipline and understand this shit works, it's just me versus the market, me versus myself. Is the sooner you're going to learn. If I have a red day today, and I know it wasn't my fault, and I know tilt wasn't involved, and I know my strategy fucking works, and it's proven. If I have a red fucking day, who the fuck cares? Nothing on this fucking planet is 100%. Nothing is. So the sooner you can accept to walk away, like I did during Power Hour, or if you have a fucking red day or even a break-even day or whatever, and you're like, fuck, I'm not feeling it, the sooner you're going to become profitable. The sooner you can accept a red day or a no trade day, the sooner you will become profitable. I fucking promise you. That is the difference between a profitable trader and an unprofitable trader, is being able to walk away, not need the charts, accepting a red trade, a red day, break even, a no trade day. That is when you will become profitable, because you're going to get into your head that this isn't necessary. I don't need to force it. The process works. The strategies work. I got to just follow through and just move on to the next day. So that's why for me, today I'm red. I don't give a fuck. It wasn't my fault. It wasn't tilt related. It was just the shit didn't work out because of fucking tech issues. No problem. I'll come back tomorrow, and statistically, I'm going to be green tomorrow. And if I'm not, so what? I got Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. And let's say I'm red the next 3 days. I'm cool with that, because statistically, I have a lot more green days and a lot more green weeks. Very fucking profitable, and I believe the process. That's how I stay happy, and I can confidently say how Javi also stays happy. And any of the fucking live traders here stay happy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Amen.
You know what my win rate is? I looked at my win rate. My win rate right now is about a 69% win rate, which means 31% out of 100 trades, 31 of them are losses. Right? 31 out of 100 of my trades are losses. But you know what also is? You know what also is true? The fucking my RR is very good. I have a minimum of a 2-to-1, sometimes a 3-to-1 RR, which also results in the fucking 6 figures I've made in the last month. There's a little fucking sauce for you. With that being said, let's give away some shit.
Let's give away some shit. All right. All right. First number. Let's see how many we got in here. 408. All right. First number for the cord 195. 195.
Okay, first word of the YouTube is going to be expeditiously. First word on the YouTube is expeditiously.
I cannot spell that shit.
Got you. There you go, Joe. There you go.
Expeditiously. Is that right? Expeditiously. It took me forever. I had to sound that shit out.
I think some people can't even enunciate it.
I did it wrong. I think Spoon got it right. I did a U instead of an I.
Aniki, that's true as fuck, dude. I get way more angry if my DoorDash fucks up my order than if I pop some accounts. Honestly, I get much more frustrated.
Expeditiously.
He got it in there. He got it in there. What was the number for the Discord?
195.
6, 7, 8.
Like here's my report for today's trades.
5, 6, 7, 8. 9,
And again,
10.
remember micros. So I did not take 134 trades on this damn account. More like 11 or 10. 74% win rate.
WeTog 12 or
Berries.
WeTog, whatever it is.
Wet hog. A wet hog. That hog is wet.
Winner on the YouTube is Captain Cook 187. Congratulations, you want access to any indicator free for an entire week.
Awesome. Awesome. All right. Did we get our Discord winner up yet, or are they taking their sweet little time? Oh, there goes the plane on the other way. Boom. Here she goes. Got one way. Can she continue to go? I don't know. I'm just gonna trail it from there. She's kind of trapped inside a bunch of levels. Luca's London accounts 23,603 with 1,196 rates, 91% win rate. And that's in 1 week. You only did 11. You only did 1,200 trades in 1 week, Luca. Step up the game, man. Step up the game
1,200 trades?
in 1 week. Those are rookie numbers. 30 accounts. Ha! I know how it works, Luca. I'm a big time. We both trade micros, right? I didn't trade one account 130 times. We know how micros work. We're just teasing. But those are rookie numbers in my books. 1,200
40
trades
trades.
in 1 week.
So it comes out to 40
Rookie.
trades per account. But then if you go by micros, I mean, how many micros do you trade per account? Partials? How many micros do you go in with? Logan loves this math. I do this all the time. I really do this all the time. Fucking call people out. Unless you're hobby, I fucking rip into you.
Yeah.
5 to 10. So you're looking at anywhere between 4 to 8 trades per day. Is that how you normally do it?
Yeah, that
Is
sounds about right. Yeah, that sounds about right.
4 to 8
Because
trades a day?
that's what these accounts are for me. When I do 130 something trades, it's somewhere like 6 trades around there per account. I do 6 micros, 5 micros, 4 micros.
Let's do
Sounds about right.
let's do another number for the
All right,
Discord.
another number. 28. 28. And now I got to adjust the number again.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yikes, 05. You don't have the, you know, I'm just going to do somebody next to him. Coach MJ.
Right.
Coach MJ. Hobby, what's the word for YouTube you want to use?
Let's do discipline. Discipline. That's what we
Discipline
needed these last 2 days.
on the YouTube is discipline.
Discipline.
So over the past, yeah, this is the difference between mine and your guys. How long have I had these accounts? I think I've had these accounts for a month now. These funded accounts. Let's see. Trade history. Nope. Analysis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days. Let's do this. Calculator. We have my shit checks out. 1 to 2 trades a day on mine. I've got 479 trades across 16 days across 5 accounts. Comes out to 6 contracts a day. Or 6 trades a day. It says 6, right? But with my contracts, with the micros, makes sense. No,
Yep.
I'm not hating on you, Luca. If you take more trades and it's your strategy, you're good. I'm not going to. That's not like part of our competition. That's not part of our competition. I don't give a fuck how many trades you take. I don't care about what your win rate is. I just care about how many payouts you got. That's all that matters.
Could somebody put the link, one of the mods put the link for the wait list for the course up for Mighty Trades or anybody in there? Guys, the wait list, if you guys get on the wait list early, wait listers and those that, end up signing up when it comes up, there's a couple perks, a couple little nice perks you're gonna get for early enlisters. I'll say that much for now. The Blitz is an event we're doing in the Big Hoff's. It's not really a house. He calls it a compound, right? He calls it the Big Hoff's compound in Wisconsin. So me and Lama are going to be in high alert. We're in Wisconsin. I'm going to speak as white as I can. I might have to pick up a southern accent and be like, "What's up, y'all? I'm from the South. I know I look Hispanic, but I ain't no Hispanic. All right, giddy on up. I pretend I know how to ride a cowboy. Yippee-ki-yay. My name is not Javier. It's Xavier. They misspelled it in my birth certificate. My last name's Xavier Carr. The rest of it, they misspelled it. Some lady had a seizure on the computer and she spelled all them letters, and now
Bobby,
that's my name. What?
okay, yeah, like first of all, Wisconsin's the north, so it doesn't make sense that you'd have anybody there from the south. And then to assume that the
What?
South is primarily Caucasian also doesn't make sense because the countries that have the highest minority group is the South
Hey,
itself. So that doesn't make sense to say that you're acting white because you're from the South when
have you
most
been
minorities
to
live in the South.
Montana and North Dakota
That's not the
and
South.
South Dakota?
That's
Where's
the South.
Wisconsin?
The
It
north.
doesn't matter.
Wisconsin's
Those
north.
areas,
Very north.
those
Very north.
areas
North,
are
yes.
cowboys and in scary. Okay, yeah,
There's
we hear
also Milwaukee,
folklore.
which is in Wisconsin,
That's
which
true.
is also has a larger minority group than. Regardless, we still didn't have a person fucking come up on the Discord. It's 2 people. Let's try a third time.
I see a lot of like a lot of the cheeseheads are a certain race. If you know, you guys pay attention.
Winner on YouTube. Stuff happens. 6978 on the YouTube. Stuff
I'm
happens.
just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I'm having fun. No, there's dangerous parts in Maryland that are scary. There's parts in Maryland. I remember my friend used to drive down to the southern panhandle of Maryland, and we'd be like, this is definitely a place where we would hear, we don't like kind around here, boy. And we'd be like, let's get the fuck out of here. We get out so fast. Oh man.
All right. Another number for the Discord.
What was my dream last night? Oh, my wife's asking me about my dream. I already forgot my dream last night. No, I told you about it. What was it again? Holy crap, I'm blanking on my dream. All right, next number on the Discord is 76. Yeah, I had a weird dream last night,
7, 1, 2,
and now I
3,
can't
4,
remember what it was.
6. Hauser 69. Come on up to the stage. Bobby. Wow, that guy fucking instantly accepted. Nice.
Milwaukee. Fast. He's fast as fuck, boy.
What's up,
Milwaukee.
boys?
Yo.
What's up, Hauser?
Second week in a row. On a Thursday, I got called up.
Of course,
Really?
because it's rigged. Yeah.
Oh, absolutely. You guys want to
It's
see Owen
rigged as fuck.
shop?
We know that.
You want to see what?
Yeah.
Owen B shop.
Let's
How do I
watch him
flip the
shop.
camera?
Is this dude speaking English?
I understand him.
Oh, Owen Shop. Yeah. I thought,
Yeah,
I thought
Owen
you
B
Owen
shop.
shop.
forgot you're Owen's fucking brother. Yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay.
right. Yeah.
I didn't recognize
Yes,
half your
Owen.
face was hidden. Yeah, you're Owen's
All right.
brother. Dude.
Yeah.
How's your trading going and compared to your brother's? Because your brother's been killing it.
Passed my first account Monday
Let's go.
after the study sesh with Javi on Sunday.
Nice.
Nice, man. Heck yeah.
I'm like 2 more trading days away from my first payout.
Woo,
let's
let's
go.
go. Take your time, man. Take
Oh,
your
absolutely.
time.
The
Let's
small
go.
hits, man.
Beautiful job, brother.
Big stud
Awesome to
owner.
hear that, man. Hell
Well, you
yeah.
also just won an FFF account. Good shit, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Appreciate it.
Open up a support ticket. Keep it up. Keep up the hard work. If Javi coached you, then I'm confident that you'll do well. Keep it up, man. All right.
You're gonna do
All
well.
right,
See you this
Sunday.
Sunday as well.
Thanks.
See you this Sunday,
Covered.
brother.
Yeah. Is he gonna? Oh, yes. Yeah. Cool. All right. That's fucking it. That's all I got today. Obviously, no trades really for me. Calling it. And that's it. If you guys
go.
are a first responder, if you are a first responder, active duty veteran, fucking healthcare worker, teacher, 50% off on my shit. Besides that, that's all I got. Students, AI class later today. We'll do that after happy hour. That's all I got. Javi, what do you got?
YouTube is still going nuts. Am I behind? Hold on, my shit's behind. It is. Guys, follow our socials: X, TikTok, YouTube. Right, everything PHP on my YouTube channel. Everything everything PHP on Logan's. Dude, what the fuck is going on with my head right now? Everything PHP on Logan's YouTube channel. Quantum on my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit the bell, do all that fun stuff. Guys, go check out my Facebook, man. I had an explosion on my Facebook page, the Maestro Javi. I went from like 76 followers, all of a sudden we're like at 1,500. I want to keep that momentum going. Like it's been awesome to see that. So
On
go
what?
over there on my Facebook account. My wife has been like really working on like spreading out all the stuff that we got, and that one of my mobile trading videos just all of a sudden exploded it. So go check that out. Please tip the staff, right? Show your love to the staff as always. My wife doesn't need to hit me for you guys to tip the staff. Just tip the staff, damn it. Okay, let's not make that a thing. And get on that wait list, guys. The wait listers have an extra perk. If you guys sign up and you're on the wait list, there's going to be some extra perks for you guys if you are not on the course wait list. Remember, Logan, Lama, and Max are going to make guest appearances on that. I'm super pumped for it. And in just a couple days, I can't believe Lake Geneva is literally 4 days away. So those of you going, we'll see you there. Other than that, everyone, not financial advice with JJ's. I hope everyone had a great power hour. We caught some really nice trades. Still managed to come out of it alive. Other than that, y'all trade safe. Tomorrow's Friday. Protect your damn accounts, right? Protect your damn accounts Friday. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.
Nikki, run it.
Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. From the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift, starting all over. I was starting to trip, took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again, took a little trip, turned into a brick. Then I did again, took a little trip, running shit, turned into a trip. We in and out quick. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my head go, heat of my head go. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate, a little wine, the white kind, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing my job. Can't do what I used to do. This life ain't just for me, it's for you. I'm focused, keeping my emotions from overflowing. To me, it's like an ocean that never ends. So when you learn how to swim, you never get wet. And you never forget that you a vet. I keep you in my mind every second. I hope you never had to feel how I felt, but you gotta know the truth. My life without you was no life at all. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift, and I did it again. Quantum shift, quantum doing shift. We in and out quick. At my head door, heat of my head door. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. At my head door, heat of my head door. Do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my heart, do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Let my heart go, heat of my heart, do a quick 5-10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney.